Good morning. Welcome to the engine shed, the home of the Heritage Railway, the Tyne Valley line. I am Steve, your host without the most. Right, let's show you what I've done down here. You can see the office block has been moved. I've got the memorial for Lord Stephen, the founder of this branch line, and on this side I've got the memorial for the fallen heroes. And I've just attacked Tony's delivery truck. And here, that truck's heading towards Tony's refabrication unit with a good load. Graham got his van load up to go to do some gardening. Lakeside Gardening Centre. Right, over here I've got a police station now, and I've got an hospital, and I've got an unfinished fire station with 2 tenders and whatever it is. It's work in progress. Right, now that crane there is an Herpa. It's a HO scale, not an OO scale. Somebody asked me on, I think it was on Facebook, what it was and where I go from. So there you go. I'll put it on Facebook as well, because somebody has asked me. This here, I'm going to take you around and show you here. Is the 10,000, built in 1947 by LMS. First diesel to run on British Main Line, and then become BR. I think it was LMS signed for 3 weeks. 13 days, I believe, before BR took over the networks. And here we have a PSV rally. They've come from all over the country. I've got some from the Ribble Valley, I've got some from Yorkshire, I've got some from Leicester, I've got some from the West Midlands, I've got some from Cornwall and Devon, and of course I've got the Midland Red. As you know, I didn't do a video last week, and the week before I was at Getz. Yeah, I was told Sunday would not be as busy as Saturday. Ha! Just joking. Yeah, Saturday was very busy, so was Sunday, and I managed to stay some time. But I had to laugh. I pulled up in the car park, and as I got out the car, as me and my wife got out of the car, we was met by one of their security. Don't know why. I thought I'd done something wrong. Anyway, this chap walked us past the queue and straight into the venue. I had to pay, of course, but yeah, I didn't have to queue up. That was Saturday. Sunday was different. I queued up Sunday. And whilst there, I got this engine from Getz, and I got a few more coaches to go with this engine. So I've now got a rake of 5 for there. Here we go. I'm going to show you this beauty again. Me calling diesel beauty. It is my favourite diesel, and that's my second favourite diesel. But I am a steam man at heart. Well, I thought I was. Yeah, maybe I ain't. Maybe I'm a mixture. But it's old mixture, not new mixture. Not to worry. Right, as I was saying, Getz. I met some lovely people, some great people there. I met Graham, Tony. Actually, I ought to do it in order. I met Tony, Julian, Graham and Rob, and some others. Tony was brilliant. We sat and we chatted for some time, and then I was just going to go and get myself a drink and going to have a smoke. Yes, I'm a smoker. And I saw Graham, so I stopped. I had a bit of a chat with Graham, but unfortunately, so a lot more people wanted to talk to him. And Rob. I met Rob as well. He's a nice chap. He's from America. Julian's from New Zealand. I gave them all little gifts. Actually, I'll give Graham one of the other fire tenders I'd got, which was a mistake on my part. It was the first one I brought, and it isn't from the local area. It was from somewhere else. So I wasn't going to use it. And so I thought, who could I give it to? And I thought automatically, Graham. I explained about that, didn't I? Being an RP, whatever it is. So yeah. Oh, train's derailed. Now you see how good this train's been running, and all of a sudden it decides to throw a wobbler and derail. I have no reason, no expectation why, but they do these things. But whilst I'm at the back, I can show you this. As you can see, the first station definitely isn't finished. The hospital is, and the police station's there now. So, yep, that's it. Train derailed, so I've turned it off for now. I've got to clean the track because I've been running that many engines in and I haven't cleaned the track yet, so, but it gives me a chance to show you this beauty now. Get it out and put it there. There you go. Can't see why that derailed then, but it did. I heard it. Okay, right. Something was said. Oh, next week, before I go on to conversation, I'm away from Monday and I'll get back late Friday night. But I'm going to a show, my local show, the show just around the corner from me, on Saturday. So there'll be no video next Saturday. So don't worry about it. As I say, I'm up Blackpool Monday to Friday, and then I've got the show on Saturday. So I can't see me doing a video. And that's that information passed over. Now let's get talking. Something was said at the show, at the Gets, and I actually slightly disagree with what I was hearing. I think excluding exhibition layouts, there's three main types. One, a railway built within scenery. Two, what am I on about? One, a tail chaser, which is what I've got. Two, I don't know what you call them. Back and fro, to and fro, where they just run like that, and then like that, and then like that. And the third one would be the drummer, well, yeah, you know what I mean. Where I'm just stationary in a little, like that there, or like that there. That's what I think. Anyway, there's three main types, excluding exhibition ones, which is tail chasers, I call them. Stop and starts, I suppose you could call the others, and the little dramoramas, diamoramas, whatever you want to call them. Mine is a chaser. Also, I suppose you could say there's just layouts with just trains and stuff and no scenics. Then you got ones where you've got scenics built around the railway, around the line, whatever. And then you've got, again, which I think mine is, a railway built within the scenics. Although the scenics is built after, I tend to feel that mine is a scenic railway, not a railway scenic. As you can see, it don't matter where you're standing near though, you can see trains running if they don't derail. And you've got a good view scenic over there, look, of the town that isn't finished yet, the castle, the farm, the Bud's garage, the wedding car, Graham's lakeside gardening, and Tony's refabrication unit, Tony's delivery. Yeah, so that's the contention for this week. I watch quite a few channels. I've cut some out, funnily enough, after Gets, but I ain't going to say why. I'm keeping to a core video now. I don't know what you describe Tony's as, because Tony's a mixture. I would say Tony's is a railway with scenics within. Brilliant, yeah. Julian's, again, I'd have to go for that again. Scenic, railway with scenics within. Still brilliant. Rob's, I'll go with mine. Rob's is most likely, I would say, a railway within scenics, or scenics with a railway within. Graham, or Graham's I should say, his older layout, before he started to alter it, I would actually say was a railway, scenic within a railway within scenics, yeah. But now it's the other way around. It's becoming very, very fastly a scenic with railway within. I love his canal. I love his castle. I love his town. Not the. I like the town, but I like his village, especially his bike. Him and Hazel ride on their bikes with Ruby in the basket. Brilliant. So I suppose you could also say there's another category of movement. Yeah. Rob has something that moves on his layout other than his trains. Graham definitely has some stuff moving around on his layout other than his trains. Tony is static. Julian, as far as I can see, is static. I'm static, but I'm thinking of changing that. I have ordered something. If it comes, it will put a new spin on the layout. Well, the scenic part of the layout. But yeah, basically I'm also static. That's it really. Oh, Dave's is static with flashy parts, and also railway with scenics. See, there you go, sorted. Right, I'm going to sort this problem out. Don't know why it derailed, but actually I think I'm going to clean the track first, give the track a good rub down, because as I say, I've been running engines in for the last, well, since I finished the circuit, I've been running engines in, so it's time to clean the track. Okay, so we've had a bit of a chat. I haven't waffled. I don't think I have anyway. So yeah, I'll catch you in 2 weeks' time. Be safe, be careful, and be courteous. Have a good day, have a good week, and see you soon. Bye. Bye.